Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Thanks for liking my last video and giving me so much of encouragement. I request you to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I keep sharing very small and very interesting facts with you. I want to share that an FIR has been lodged for trying to sell the Statue of Unity for 30,000 crores on OLX. Guys, can you believe this? Yes, a gentleman actually tried to sell the Statue of Unity on OLX, and the reason he had was to meet the government's requirement for money to fight COVID-19. As you all know, that the memorial to Sardar Patel, uh, which is 182 meters tall, uh, was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2018. Uh, Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. This gives me a lot of encouragement. Thank you, guys.